What's up? It's Susie from HeyGrillHey.com, and today I'm giving you my recipe for garlicky, ooey-gooey, cheesy bread that you can make in your backyard pizza oven or in your oven at home. Let's jump into this cheesy bread. We are starting with my Neapolitan style pizza dough to make the cheesy bread. A couple of weeks ago, we did a full video on my Neapolitan style pizza dough. I have the recipe on HeyGrillHey.com as well. And then last week, you guys saw my barbecue chicken pizza. This cheesy bread is kind of going to round out our little summer pizza series. And I hope you enjoyed it and got some really good ideas and inspiration for recipes that you can make in your own backyard. So with the cheesy bread, it's a little bit different than a traditional pizza, which is why I thought it deserved its own video. We want this guy to be a little bit thicker than what you would get if you're doing traditional pizza. So I kind of like to stretch it into a nice rectangle. And I don't worry so much about the crust being crusty. I just want a slightly thicker, kind of rectangle-y oval situation so that I can cut it into strips, because that's my favorite way to eat cheesy bread. I think you have to be able to dunk it. That looks good to me. It's time to top a nice hearty drizzle of olive oil on top of your dough, some fresh grated garlic. I've got whole garlic cloves and a microplane grater. You can use minced garlic here, but I think fresh garlic really is kind of the key to this cheesy bread. I'm starting with 2 cloves. They're 2 pretty big cloves, but you know what? Garlic to your heart's content. If you're a heavy garlic person, get it on there. That's the beauty about making stuff like this at home, is you get to pick how much pizza, or you get to pick how much garlic, how much cheese goes on your cheesy bread. Feeling real good about this amount of garlic. I'm gonna hit it with 2 cheeses, some shredded whole milk mozzarella cheese, and some Parmesan. And I will go a little bit heavier here on the cheese than I would if I was just doing a Neapolitan style pizza, because the dough's a little bit thicker. It can hold up to having more cheese on top. I'm also gonna change up how I cook this just a little bit. So in my Neapolitan style pizzas, I'm running 650 to 750 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm only leaving them in there for about 3 minutes. This again is a little bit thicker, so I'm gonna take the temperature lower, like 600 to 650 degrees. I'll usually start with cheesy bread as my pizza oven's preheating. So when it's a little bit lower in temperature, I'll get the cheesy bread on, and that's kind of our appetizer before we start doing the rest of our pizzas. Now, I like to finish mine with a couple pinches of red pepper flakes because I like a little bit of heat and a little bit of color. The step's optional. Once our cheesy bread's ready, check that it slides on my pizza peel, and we're ready to go to the pizza oven. Just a couple minutes of cook time, and we've got this beautiful, bubbly, golden brown, cheesy bread. Like I said, I cut this guy into strips. Oh, Autumn, will you get me a bowl of sauce to dip this in? Thank you. Thank you. Would you like some cheesy bread?
Yes.
Okay, ready? You take one. Oh, you go for the end piece? I'm gonna go for this piece. Let's get the back up. Mark it set. Oh no. Oh my gosh. I love this stuff. The dough is so perfectly chewy, crispy on the bottom, crunchy brown spots of cheese, and then the little red pepper flakes in there and garlic make it so delicious. Let me know how you like your cheesy bread in the comment section below. You can grab the printable version of this recipe on HeyGrillHey.com, or you can find it in the HeyGrillHey app. Whoa. We'll see you guys next time. Oh my gosh.